QNT at the time of this recording is attempting another breakout to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 116.28 and the 96.24 USDT mark, which is that yellow target area on the chart. And on today's update video, I will be discussing an additive structure that is playing out here on the chart, giving you my next breakout target areas, and above all give you the Fibonacci key areas of support that we need to continue holding within. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made below the 85.71 USDT mark, I have been observing an additive structure right here in yellow, where you can see that we have now picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, you can see that we saw a slight pullback in the formation of a second wave into the minimum target areas for that wave 2, which were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of the wave 1 to the high of that first wave. And the minimum pullback target area was between the fib level 0.382 and a maximum of the 7.8, and that was between the 116.49 and the 96.17 USDT mark, which is that yellow target area. And you can see that we saw a slight pullback into the fib level 0.382, an area that gave us a reaction over here, starting this bounce over here. And at the time of this recording, we are now attempting a break above a key area of resistance above the 125.46 USDT mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, flipping it back into support, and also manage to break above the highs we made above the 136 USDT mark, then that will be enough confirmation that we have a low in place in the formation of that wave 2, and a massive breakout to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 is now unfolding. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we have in the formation of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I will pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 195.25 USDT mark. We can also pay attention to the fib ratios 1:1 as our next target areas, also above the 164.27 USDT mark. And if we don't see a break above those significant key areas of resistances and significant highs, and maybe at some point we get rejected, then I will be expecting one more new low in the formation of this second wave. And if that plays out, then whatever is playing out here on the charts will turn out to be an ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave a bounce in a wave B, and then get one more new low in the formation of that wave C into that yellow target area. So for the next coming hours, we need to pay attention to our key area of resistance above the 125.46 and the area above the significant high above the 136 USDT mark. Also remember that this additive structure right here in yellow is part of an additive structure that is part of a larger additive count 3 to the upper side, and the larger wave 3 is part of an additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we picked in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of that larger wave 1. Then we saw a slight pullback over here in the formation of a larger wave 2. And having seen the low for that second wave, I have been expecting a mega pump to the upside in the formation of this larger wave 3. So if we continue unfolding in this yellow additive structure, that will be part of a larger wave 3 to the upper side that can easily give us a break above the 195 USDT mark in the next coming days. So that is all that I expect here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.